you guys doing? So tonight's gonna be a little different kind of style video. This just happened like last minute. I hit up my friend who has a SCATPACK charger, 392 SCATPACK, just for a friendly run. He was like, hey yo Kev, hit up other friends. I'm like, all right, cool. Told this person, this person, this person. So pretty much now we're going to full on meet. As you can see, we got my car here, got this car here, got a Type R, we got a Coyote GT over here, we got a GLI down there. So yeah, we're about to go get some fuel because someone didn't fill up on the way here. Not good. We're all on E85 except this poor guy over here. So, but he's on something else tonight. So
Volkswagen problems.
Don't do him like that.
Hey, I have no check engine light, so you bite your tongue, sir.
For once.
Making progress. All right. So yeah, again, this is a different kind of night for us. Really random. So stay tuned. Let's get gas and we'll meet up with everyone else. All right. So he checked his oil. I'm good on fuel. He's good on fuel. What are you doing, dude?
Different types of gas.
Alright guys, so we just got to the meal spot. As you can see, we got a lot of cars. Turn the camera around, we got a lot of cars here, a lot of variety. Super last minute thing, but I'm pretty proud of what came out of it. So, back over here, we got the one that came out. There's a SCATPACK 392. So my car it's tuned down and everything. It's making pretty decent power for an SI. So I've been wanting to race one of these as a little benchmark. So he said it's bone stock. So get a little close up on that. Yeah, bone stock SCATPACK. I've raced Mustang GTs, but I haven't raced one of these yet. So he's down to run it. We'll see what comes out of it, and I'm excited.